Stop scrolling. These 3 AI tools can help you make money online with 0 skills and no experience. Right now, people around the world are using AI to replace hours of manual work and turn it into income. The truth is that most people are still using AI only for fun instead of using it to build multiple income streams. That is why they are missing one of the biggest opportunities available today. In this video, we will show you 3 powerful AI tools you can start using immediately. More importantly, I will show you how people are actually making money using these AI tools. If you apply what you learned today, you can build a simple online income system step by step. Make sure you watch till the end, because the last tool is the easiest and most scalable. ChatGPT, the top AI tool in industry. Let's start with ChatGPT. ChatGPT is one of the most powerful AI tools available today. It can generate content, ideas, emails, scripts, and even complete business plans. Instead of spending hours thinking and researching, you can get search results quickly. For example, you can ask ChatGPT to write a full blog post on any topic. You can ask it to generate YouTube scripts like the one you are watching right now. You can even use it to write product descriptions for e-commerce stores. This means you can start offering services online without having any prior experience. Many freelancers are already using ChatGPT to make money every single day. They offer content writing services to clients. They create resumes and cover letters for job seekers. They even write marketing emails and sales pages. Clients are willing to pay for this work. The best part is, you don't need to be an expert writer. You just need to learn how to give the right instruction known as prompts. Once you understand how prompts work, you can generate high-quality results consistently. This is why ChatGPT is one of the easiest tools to start making money online. The more you practice, the better your results become. Now, imagine using this tool daily to complete multiple tasks. You can turn this into steady and scalable income streams. Canva, best web-based graphic design platform. Now, let's move to the second tool, which is Canva. Canva has completely changed how people create designs. It is no longer just a basic design tool. Canva's AI features allows people to create professional visuals in minutes. You can design social media posts for businesses. You can create YouTube thumbnails that attract clicks. You can design resumes, presentations, and even marketing materials. The best part is that you do not need any design experience. Everything is drag and drop. Canva provides ready-made templates for almost everything. People are using Canva to create and sell digital products online. For example, selling Instagram templates. They sell resume designs. They even sell business branding kits. Some people are also offering design services to clients. Businesses require content daily. Canva makes it easy to deliver that content. This creates a simple way for beginners to start earning. You don't need expensive tools like Photoshop. You do not need years of experience. You just need consistency and creativity. That is why Canva is one of the best beginner-friendly tools. Pictory, an AI-powered video creation platform. Now let's move to the third and most powerful tool in this video. This is Pictory. Pictory allows you to turn simple text into full videos automatically. You do not need editing skills. You do not need a camera. You don't need expensive software. You simply paste your script into Pictory. It automatically generates a video for you. It adds visuals, subtitles, and even voiceovers. This is how faceless YouTube channels are created. People are building entire channels without showing their face. Many of these channels are generating income. This is one of the biggest opportunities right now. Video content is growing faster than ever. AI tools like Pictory make video creation easy and fast. System. These tools together works as a system. Combining these 3 tools together to improve your workflow. Use ChatGPT to write your script. Use Canva to design thumbnails. Use Pictory to turn your script into videos. You now have a complete content creation system. This system can help you build an audience online. You can monetize once you have an audience who engage with your content. Many creators are already doing this successfully. They are growing YouTube channels using AI. They are building multiple online income streams. This is not something that will happen in the future. It is happening now. The only difference is whether you take action and start. Most people will watch this and do nothing. A few people will actually apply what they learned. People who take action have the greatest opportunities for success. Start with one tool. Learn it properly. Then move to the next. Focus on consistency and not perfection. If you found this video useful, make sure to subscribe. We will be sharing more AI tools and strategies. Start today. Do not wait. Your future depends on the actions you take now. Do not just watch, make a start. Subscribe and start using AI the right way.